Everybody, all right, we're going to do the monthly update, the Securitate update. I've got two. I've got the system update ready to install, and I've got the Google Play system update. I have no idea what the heck that is. So we are at 8:48. We're at 80% battery power. It is December 17th. Happy Hanukkah, last day of Hanukkah. Happy Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that stuff that everybody says that nobody cares about. All right, so here we go. I don't know how long this one's going to take. I'm going to tap it. Can you say you're going to tap it on the internet? I don't know. System update 22. Now the last one went really fast. It was like 20 seconds, but then it takes about 10 minutes to do the whole thing. So let's do the install now. System update. Wow. The same thing. Like about 10 seconds or so, 5 seconds, and boom, ba-doom, ba-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Okay, so make sure you do that thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, all that other cool stuff I say. Support. Oh, there's the light. There's a light in the background. Support my channel. Donate to my PayPal if you want to. Thank you to the person who donated $2 last week. And wow, that looks terrible having that light reflection over there. I'm really sorry. That's not good at all. No, that's definitely not good. Let me shut this off. Is that better? So we're doing the update, December 17th, 80% battery power, 8:48. It started up in about 10 seconds. And 30%, there we go, 30%. So, yeah, click on my affiliate links if you want to help me out. Most people don't, but some people do. You want to click on my affiliate links, Amazon links, before you go to Amazon. Definitely helps out my channel. Helps me out, too. Helps me pay the bills. So we're 2 minutes into this, 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Why do I do this every month? So I can put a video on there with about 10,000 ads. That's why I do it. Let's be honest. And then I get the money and then I donate it. So it all comes out to be a good thing in the end for everybody. You help me, I help you, and then we help the world. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so we're almost 3 minutes into this thing. I used to, with my BlackBerry, I used to list what the updates were, what the security changes were, but I don't do that with the Samsung. It's really hard to find all the detailed info, and usually they're just updating modules. These are not software. Well, it's a security update. It's not a software update. It's not an OS update. So just know that it does something, and the most important thing is to click on every ad and affiliate link. That's why you're watching the video, isn't it? I know, I didn't set up the tripod again this month. Usually I do, this time I didn't. I just wanted to get this done. Dog's having a hard time tonight. She's cranky. She's usually cranky at night. She's like a little kid, fighting her sleep, doesn't want to go to sleep. So we're having a little rough night, and I thought, this will calm her down, because when I turn on the camera, she walks out of the room. She gets pretty upset. She says, "Are you doing that YouTube thing again? Put that away." So I put on the camera. She's out of the room. She's going to sleep. As soon as the camera's off, she's going to run in here, really happy that it's off, and then she'll go to bed. So there's a reason why I'm doing this. Plus, I got the notification. It's really weird. I think this is the December 1st update, and I got it 2 days ago, December 15th. So for some reason, I get my updates 15 days after they come out. I don't know why Verizon does that. With the BlackBerry, I had a BlackBerry that was an unlocked phone, and I bought the BlackBerry directly from BlackBerry. And when you buy a BlackBerry from BlackBerry, you get the updates, and it completely bypasses the carrier. So you get the updates immediately. Even if the carrier doesn't want it, they don't have a choice. And with this, since it's a Samsung and it went through Verizon, Verizon gets to decide when they're going to pop out the update. Okay, we are 4 minutes and 36 seconds into this. I need to get at least an 8-minute video so I can get some after video rolling ads, so I can make $10,000. That's what I need. So we're already starting up, but the thing that takes forever is the module, the updating the modules. I forget what they call it. I always forget what they call it. They used to call it modules on the BlackBerry. I don't know what they call it on this thing. I don't remember, because I only do this once a month. And then I forget about it. So we're going to see it in a minute. We're starting up. Verizon. There it is. Optimizing. Optimizing the apps. And that's what takes forever. And then after it does the optimization, then it goes in there and does it finish or does it just stop? Then it's got to finish its thing off and then it says update complete. And it's not complete until you get the message that says update complete. And that is why we're at 5 minutes and 44 seconds. And we got to swipe to start this thing up. Hopefully I'm not going to get any messages. I used to tap on the screen. I've got this set for 10 minutes now. Usually it shuts off at 15 seconds. But I might have to tap it to start it up. Yeah, I got to tap it. Okay. I like to keep this if found thing over there. Because when somebody finds your phone, they don't know who the heck you are. How are they going to get a hold of you? If they call your phone, they're holding your phone. So you got to put a different number on there. Or else it just doesn't get returned. And I have to take it off every time I do one of these videos. So, we're not done yet. I like to go over to the About section, or if you're in Canada, I go to the About section, and I show you that it's finished with the update, but it's not finished until it's finished. Kind of like you never know you know. And we don't have the message over here. Yeah, I know, it's 57 degrees. It's freezing outside. I walked the dog this morning, it was 62, and it was so cold. Last couple weeks ago I walked her, it was 48, I had a t-shirt on and I was fine. In fact, I was kind of sweating in the morning. Today, walked her, Garmin Connect, today I walked her, it was 62, and I went, oh boy, is that a biting cold. Yikes, yikes. For those who pay attention, I moved some of my icons around. I moved the Messenger on here, and I moved the Facebook, because I'm getting tons of people that love me, and they're sending me lots of messages to share their love or their hope that I'm going to help them out and give them money. And I've got the chat thing over there because those people are also chatting me and messaging me and Facebooking me saying, hey, how are you? How's it going? So everybody wants something. And I got the gallery over there so I can see my, it's cold today, it might rain tonight, so I took the cameras out. I had 2 cameras outside at my mom's house to track a skunk, and I didn't want them to get ruined, so I brought them in. But usually the gallery has the files that I save from the camera, and we got the voicemail. Oh, I just noticed it's green. I guess I never noticed that before. I think when you have a message, it's red. Maybe, maybe not. What else did I do here? And then I've got the camera. You always have to have the camera. We live for cameras nowadays, so I haven't gotten the message that says complete. And that should have happened already. I don't want to mess with it, but I'm going to mess with it. I might have to cut this part out of the video. There it is, software update complete. I'm going to have to, 8 minutes and 39 seconds. We're syncing, so let me shut this off for a minute. Turn it back on. It says we're complete, but we're never complete until we're complete. So we're going to go About Phone. I've learned just to zoom in on here because it shows too much information that you shouldn't see. I'm going to shut off the camera. There we are, software information. Let's scroll. Security patch, December 1st, 2020. But I haven't gotten that message yet that says complete. And I don't want to leave you hanging without that complete thing. But I'm going to click on this. I'm looking through the camera, so this is kind of confusing for me. Yeah, there we go. Monthly updates to make you safe and protected. I think it only does this for like 3 or 4 years. I kept my other phone for a long time. I love this phone, and when the 3 or 4 years is up, I will definitely upgrade. Maybe sooner. You never know. I just restarted the thing because I didn't get that complete message, and I stopped talking, and the dog came in the room. Like, whoa, is he done? Let's see if I get the complete message. I didn't get the complete message. And what is a video without the you have updated or it is complete or service 22 or whatever the thing is, the update. So I'm going to give this another minute. Hopefully it's going to pop up on the screen. I want to share this with all my followers. Again, thanks for watching and for clicking on the ads every 30 seconds for the next 10 minutes and supporting everybody. That's very kind of you. And I think we're connected right now. It did not pop up, so I went and found it. You are all set. Your phone has been updated. Used 3% battery power, took about 10 minutes. Thanks for watching, people. Have a very good 2021. Let's all be healthy and mask up and stay safe.